What's up, all? So today you're getting a 2-for-1. Today we're taking a look at the Dewalt 883 and the Dewalt 885. Now both of these tools are brushed, but we're going to put them to the test. We're going to see what they can do. Now you know what I say. Let's get it started. Two for one coming at you. Dewalt 20 volt Max Lithium 3/8 of an inch impact wrench with the hog ring tool, and the 20 volt Max Lithium-Ion cordless 1/4 inch impact driver. You know, these have been out on the market for a little while, but the prospective program from the Home Depot sent these over for us to take a look at, and that's what we're going to do for you. All right, first one up is the DFC885. 1,400 pounds of inch torque, 2,800 RPM, and you got 3,200 BPI, which is blows per minute. Now the weight on this, really light, only 2.65 pounds, and that's without the battery. Speaking of the battery, today we are using the 20 volt Max XR 4AH battery. Now you do get the 3 LED lights in the front, somewhat pretty bright. Then you got the forward, the reverse, and the lock button right here. As for how does it feel in the hand, pretty good. Again, it's light. I got that rubber overmold right there. It really forms well to the palm. I like that. And you got the belt clip that can be put on the left or the right side. Doesn't really matter. Now there is one issue that I found with this impact driver, and I'm not joking. I'm not playing. This thing has a funky smell coming out of those vents right there. Now the strange thing is that I noticed this the first time I went to use this. What it smells like, it's almost like a burnt grease. Now I'm guessing this is sort of like a new car when you get that engine smell, and after a while it might go away. I haven't had any issues with it, and I'll show you later, but you do get that smell coming around the entire back area where the motor's at. Not sure what it is. I'll let you know if it goes away. I'm curious if you've ever had that issue with this driver. If you have, leave a comment in the section below and let me know. All right, let's start out with some screws. Number 6, 2-inch. These are a Phillips drive, general purpose screws. Let's see how they do here. We'll go one at a time. All right, no issues so far. Feels pretty good in the hands. Definitely has enough power. And FYI, this treated 4x4, it is full of sap and it is just wet. So more than enough power to drive those down. Alright, so these are screws here. You're probably asking yourself, what about lag nuts? Had no issues at all. I just got my truck back from tire rotation. I used them on the Nissan truck and my wife's Nissan Rogue. Took the lags off, no issues at all. Alright, let's try this lag here. We're not going to do any pilot hole here. We're just going to go straight down. I want to see how it handles it. Should do okay with the 3,200 IPM. Here we go. Get it, baby, get it. Come on. Get it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, a little bit more. Alright, so it brought it down. I'm pretty impressed. I didn't think it was going to do it. Alright. So that went all the way down, and that was about as far as it's going to go. Let's take her out now. Alright, good. So in case I didn't mention, you do have a variable speed trigger on that, which is pretty nice. So all in all, other than that funky, nasty smell, which I think will probably wear off after time, hopefully, I like it. And you get the 1/4 inch hex, so pretty versatile. I gotta be honest with you, it's a little flimsy right there, but other than that, yeah, not bad. Alright, let's move it along to the impact wrench. Alright, 3/8 of an inch cordless impact wrench. This is the 883. If you have this, let me know in the comment section below. No issue with smell on this one though. Alright, inch pounds of torque, you're looking at 1560. Max RPM on this, 2300. And the impacts per minute, you're looking at 2700. Now basically identical to the impact driver in weight and feel. The weight on this, 2.645 pounds. And again, the feel, the size, everything is basically identical. You got the belt clip for either side. You got the 3 lights up on top. You got the rubber overmold that feels good in the palm. And you got the variable speed trigger. Now again, this works great on the lag nuts. That's really what it's for. Had no issue with the Nissans, taking those lags on and off. But I want to try it with the lag into the 4x4 because I'm not bringing all my lighting outside. Sorry guys. No pilot hole. Bit more here. Was pretty impressed it took it the whole way down. And it took her all the way out. So yeah, pretty impressive. Again, they're brushed motors, but they do have a lot of power, and I didn't have any issues with catching on fire or smoking other than that smell that's coming out of the impact driver. Again, I'm hoping that goes away. I'll let you know in the TRZ community tab. All you got to do is ask and I'll let you know. But I'm curious, what do you guys think? Do you like these? You know, I know there's brush versions out there. Would you rather go with those, or are these good enough for you? Now, as always, I will put a link in the description for both of these tools. But that being said, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at Tool Review Zone. And don't forget to stop by the TRZ Instagram page and the Twitter page at Tool Review Zone.